Stretching over 277 miles and plunging over a mile deep, the Grand Canyon is one of Earth's most iconic natural wonders. But there's much more to this ancient landmark than meets the eye. Today we are diving deep into the secrets of the Grand Canyon, facts you may not have known, history that shaped it, and the mysteries it still holds. The Grand Canyon wasn't carved overnight. In fact, it's the result of millions of years of erosion, primarily by the mighty Colorado River. But what's truly mind-blowing is the age of the rocks at the base of the canyon. These rocks are about 2 billion years old, almost half the age of Earth itself. The Grand Canyon is like a giant history book, with each layer telling the story of Earth's geological evolution. Scientists believe the canyon was formed between 5 to 6 million years ago, but the story of its rock spans back much further. The different colors and layers you see are like a timeline of Earth's history. But the Grand Canyon isn't just a geological wonder, it's a cultural one too. For thousands of years, Native American tribes have called this place home. The ancestral Puebloans, the Hualapai, and the Havasu are just a few of the indigenous people who have lived here, leaving behind fascinating cliff dwellings and rock art. The Grand Canyon holds the remnants of their ancient cultures, from petroglyphs carved into stone to ancient dwellings perched on canyon walls. The canyon's history is also spiritual. Many tribes believe it's a sacred place central to their creation stories. While the Grand Canyon might seem like a barren desert, it's filled with hidden oases. Take Havasu Falls. For example, this breathtaking waterfall with its surreal turquoise water is hidden deep within the canyon. It's a true desert paradise, fed by underground springs that keep it flowing year-round. And Havasu Falls is just one of the many hidden waterfalls in the Grand Canyon. These secluded spots are part of what makes the Grand Canyon so magical. You never know what you might discover around the next bend. The Grand Canyon is also home to a surprising variety of wildlife. From endangered California condors soaring above the cliffs to bighorn sheep skillfully navigating the rocky terrain. This place is teeming with life. And did you know that the Grand Canyon is one of the few places where you can find the kaibab squirrel, a species found nowhere else on Earth? The canyon's diverse ecosystems range from desert environments at the top to lush riparian zones near the river, creating a unique habitat for an array of species. Some parts of the Grand Canyon remain shrouded in mystery. Over the years, explorers have stumbled upon strange caves and ruins that don't seem to fit with the known history of the indigenous people. One of the most famous legends tells of an expedition in the early 1900s that supposedly found Egyptian-like artifacts in a hidden cave. While no hard evidence has been found to support this, the story has sparked decades of intrigue and speculation. Whether fact or fiction, the Grand Canyon's vastness leaves much room for exploration and maybe even a few undiscovered secrets. The Grand Canyon is a national treasure, but with millions of visitors each year, preserving its beauty in an ongoing challenge. Erosion, pollution, and overcrowding have all taken their toll. Today, conservationists and park rangers work tirelessly to ensure that future generations can experience the Grand Canyon in all its glory. From preserving the wildlife to protecting the integrity of the trails, a lot is being done to make sure this wonder of the world remains unspoiled.